Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Marseiliais Dish Drying Rack with a Diatomaceous earth drying mat that measures 15.7 by 11.8 inches, perfect for kitchen counters. This set features a fast-drying stone mat made from 100% organic diatomaceous earth that absorbs moisture quickly and leaves no water spots. The included stainless steel dish drainer helps you organize dishes and cutlery efficiently, while its non-slip feet keep it firmly in place. Beyond drying dishes, the mat is versatile enough for bathroom use or even as a plant base. Cleaning is simple. Just rinse with water and wipe with a cloth to remove light stains. Avoid spilling dark liquids like coffee or red wine to keep your mat looking pristine. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.